Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I want to show you how to recover any of the deleted posts on Instagram. This works with the regular post, IGTV post, Reels. So I'll show you here a simple and easy tutorial to do this. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up the Instagram mobile application. Tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen in order to go to your profile. So now to give you as an example, I'm simply going to delete a post right in front of you. I am tapping on this post, and to delete it, I'll simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and here you will see at the last there is an option to delete. So go ahead and tap on that, then tap on delete. Now as you guys can see that the post has been deleted. Now I will show you how to recover it. For that, you simply have to tap on the three lines at the top right corner and go to the very second option named as your activity. Once you'll tap on that, here you have to scroll down and you will see the option of recently deleted. So go ahead and tap on that. After that, your post will be shown here. So from here, you simply have to tap on the post. In order to recover it, tap on the three little lines at the top right corner and tap on restore. After that, your post will be restored. Okay, so guys, now here you have to keep in mind that you can recover the post within the 30 days of deletion. After 30 days, your post will be deleted permanently and it can be restored. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.